Start recording. Stop recording.
Hey guys, welcome to Jordan Unboxing Reviews, and I'm going to show you how to make your sink make a belch noise.
Yeah, it's very easy. All you do...
This is a plug
Yeah.
that comes out of it. So, how you do it is you put the plug down, turn it on. This is D-Rex going for a wee.
But in order to make the gurgle noise really effective, you have to make the water go up to a certain level without making it drop on the floor.
Okay, I think that's enough. And here we go.
Let's test this gurgling noise. Now take the plug out. And that is how to make your sink do a gurgle noise.
Let's do it again, shall we?
But
Let's do it again.
do you want to do a much bigger one?
Why did you put a stone down there?
I don't know.
That's vulgar.
Hey Jordan,
Yeah?
if you hold the camera, shall I do the gurgle noise?
Yeah.
So I can do a really big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's swap places.
My mate Adam, do you mind? Yeah, my mate Adam's doing a big massive gurgle noise.
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
No, not yet. You need a really big one. And now I'm going to put the cold tap on for extra power.
No. Don't he'll flood.
Don't worry, I'll be careful. Right. So what the water's doing is it's rising up, and then I'm going to turn the taps off. Like that.
Here we go.
And then
Listen, be quiet.
we're going to hear a big, massive noise like this.
Oh, D-Rex.
And that's D-Rex burping. Oh, very naughty D-Rex. So, if all of you out there have robotic dinosaurs called D-Rex, that's how you make the sound effect of him burping.
Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I've only got 12 subscribers.
If we get our first 100 subscribers,
You'll get how to massage your girlfriend.